Peeps, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe I did this. Like, seriously, I cannot believe I did this. So I just put the mask on and everything, and it's starting to lather. Hey y'all, so I'm DeeDee. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time to the game, you're welcome. It's free to subscribe. You have 3 options. Subscribe to the channel. You have one right here on your mobile device, one here on your desktop, and one big one on your screen. I have been recently dealing with a lot of skincare issues, especially during the wintertime. And if you are an OG, you definitely know that I have experienced a lot with dry skin and dark spots on my face. Lately, I have been testing out a method called apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Whoa! Apple cider vinegar and baking soda all on my face. Yeah. Why did I do it? I wanted to see what would happen. I've heard good reviews. I heard bad reviews. And I'm gonna show you guys what I did and how I did it, and also did it look good on my skin. Ooh, did it make me feel beautiful? Did it just do what it's supposed to do for me? So, and without any further ado, let's get started. What am I getting ready to do is something I don't normally do. You guys, don't normally do. Today we're going to be using, which I'm a little nervous, okay? Yes, my background lighting is trash. We're going to be using apple cider vinegar. Yeah, I drink this too. And baking soda. These two. I drink this apple cider vinegar. I don't drink the baking soda. So before we get any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you're not in need. After this video, I'm doing something that I usually don't do. So right now, I'm here and wash my face with some soap. So I have washed my face with soap, you guys, and I don't have black soap, so hopefully this is an okay alternative right now. But I need to get rid of these spots that's on my face because that's like my biggest concern right now is dark marks. And I want to be able to go out in public without, doing a little extra, putting on makeup. I want to increase this year, okay? Alright, so it says you need to have a bowl, a spoon, and you need to have, of course, baked apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Alright, I'm gonna flip you guys down just a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, hope you guys can see. So right now I'm gonna take the bowl, baking soda, and the spoon first. Actually, apple cider vinegar. I said baking soda. So I'm a little nervous, you guys. Like nervous crap. And I hope y'all can see me doing this. So I always shake up because with brags you have to shake up, no matter what. So I'm gonna take, let me see if it's right. Hopefully it's right in the frame. And it smells, so be mindful. It smells, I'm taking 2 tablespoons, ooh, smells of Bragg's. Yes, I'm using Bragg's. And then I'm gonna take some baking soda. Just the amount I need, okay? Just the amount I need. Oh God, look. gonna look up the ingredients right now as we speak. My face is super dry. I need to hurry up and do this. It's supposed to be like a thick mask. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 to 3 tablespoons. So it says 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 to 3 tablespoons. Are y'all still in here? Okay. Of vinegar. Okay. It's supposed to look like that. Hair's so white. Mine's looking creamy-ish. Probably need to add a little bit more. Just a little bit more vinegar. Ooh, the lather. I'm scared to put this on my face if it's lathering like that. Let's see. Okay. I think it's gonna be enough. Whew. This is thick. Okay. Now, maybe I put too much. This is a clay mask. It's getting really thick. Like, that's thick. And it smells. Okay, so let's see. Ew, feels still kind of thick. I'm at a little bit, I know I'm going a little overboard with it, but just want to make sure it's right. Just right. Alright, here we go. Last round of this. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, now, that's what it look like. Ew. Oh, God. I'm scared. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Alright, y'all. This is not bad at all. Okay. Some lather. Okay. Definitely need to get it around that area because that area is like where I need it the most. It feels soft as ever, so I'm just gonna go in with the vitamin E. I feel like this is more appropriate for this mask to go in with oil. Since it's winter time, you know, I think it's a little bit more appropriate to do that, in my opinion. So this is day 1. Let's see how these other days play out because I'm kind of curious about it. So let's see how these other days play out. And yeah, maybe I should have you guys try it out. Don't be nervous because of the smell. Just see the works of your skin and do a little bit of research. So I just put the mask on and everything, and it's starting to lather. And it said leave it on for 2 minutes, but this stuff stinks. So I got it on the areas where I know I need it the most. I got it right here. Alright everyone, this is day 2. Yes, I like to wear my pajamas twice a week. Don't judge, okay? So last night when I applied the mask, after I applied the mask, I washed it out. Alright y'all, so I just got to finish doing the treatment. I'm a little bit nervous because everything is red under the eyes, and that's why I apply the most concealer and everything. As you can tell, like right here, right there, and this is just day 2, so I'm kind of undecided if I should keep going. Alright everybody, so obviously you saw the outcome of that. I was so brave to put it on my face, and I have to say I was just very, very brave to put it on my face, but it stink. Like, oh god, it stink. It was just not the pleasant smell to have on your face. I did not want to go throughout the day wearing apple cider vinegar on my face. I'm good about drinking it as far as weight loss, but as you can see, that red spot that left under the cheek area, I said no, I could not do it. I could not do it. I couldn't go another day. Like, I was gonna plan on wearing it for a 7-day period. I thought about wearing it for 7 days. I could not wear it for 7 days due to the fact that my skin got that irritated from it. Maybe because it was so strong, you guys, but my skin got irritated. And I did not want my skin to be irritated. And it took me a minute. So after I went back in with the vitamin E oil, my skin kind of really calmed down. I didn't feel any burn. I did not feel anything. It's just that the bumps and then the redness came about. And I was like, oh my gosh, what can I do? Like, what can I do? So if you got any at-home safe remedies for your girls to try out, let me know in the comments, because I am very, very curious, because I could have really damaged my skin seriously if I just did it another day or two, and I didn't want that. So any safe, you know, way of cleaning, you know, your dark spots, getting rid of them, I've seen the toothpaste method. Toothpaste is dangerous as well for your skin, so I really don't know what other method that's safer for me to try. I have dry skin, sensitive skin, so let me know in the comments below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.